Christopher Filippelli, and do you want one of these two trucks? We have a brand new 2016 Hess truck and dragster. Awesome truck, mint in box. This is one of the first Hess trucks ever to have LED lights, and the first truck ever to have a dragster that pops wheelies. Like, who doesn't want that? And links down below in the description. And we also have a brand new mint in box 1994 Hess rescue truck. So this is really cool. Has stabilizers down there, a big ladder, sirens, lights, flashers. So if you want one of these two trucks, go down below in the links in the description to the auctions. And also they are on my CRF website in the CRF shop. So you could buy which one do you want. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Christopher Ryan Filippelli.
I am Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. Christopher Ryan Filippelli. I'm Christopher Ryan Filippelli.
I'm Christopher Ryan Filippelli. And hello again, everybody. I'm Christopher Ryan Filippelli, and today I'm going to be reviewing the 1986 Hess fire truck tank. But before, I also reviewed the 1989 Hess fire truck tank. So these trucks are they're almost identical, except they're different colors. So you'll see that. I need 200 subscribers to do a video on my life story, and 1,000 subscribers to do a giveaway on a CRF custom painted fan truck, which is a green and white Hess tanker truck with CRF logos on it. And on April 23rd, 2020, my grandpa will have passed for 3 years. So more information on that in the CRF news tab in the CRF official website, linked down below in the description, so you can know more about the video. And my past videos, you can know more about it. And also, the information will also be at the end of this video. So here you have the truck. So you have Hess toy fire truck tank. This is 2 years before Hess started using the gasoline picture. So you have Rockefeller Center with the tree in back. Pretty cool. I like that. Front of the truck, other side, and the back of the truck. So we're going to open this up. So if you haven't already, go check out the 1989 Hess truck video, because this truck is basically the same as that, except different colors. So instead of a white body, it's a red body and white ladder instead of a white body and red ladder. But another difference is that the 1989 has a huge Hess right here, Hess logo right here, and this one does not, and nor does it have a license plate on the back, because 1988 was the first year Hess had license plates. Once again, this is one of the tallest ladders in Hess. I'll hold it up. So I am about 5'4", and that is up to my waist. Pretty tall. Didn't realize it was that tall. Wow. So just like the 1994 truck I'm selling, it has stabilizers. Hard to move. Then you have the bank here with change in there. And then you have the fire hoses up on top, chrome horns, chrome Hess, Hess here, Hess there, which is another feature that the 1989 did not have. All chromed in pictures and stuff, chrome front, chrome wheels, chrome stabilizers, chrome hubcaps, chrome vault door, open it up, get your money, chrome stabilizer, same thing on that other side, Hess here, and The 1989 Hess truck was actually the first truck to have sound, so this truck does not have sound, but it's kind of weird. You have two red switches. So one activates only the lights. One of my lights, as you can notice, does not work. And the other one activates the head and tail lights. They could both be on at the same time. I don't really like how Hess did that, but I guess that's what it was in 1986. They had like no other choice. You have chrome mirrors. And the reason why Hess had banks is because they wanted kids to save up for next year's truck. So, for example, like the 1980s trucks were like $3 to $5, so they weren't worth a lot of money, like $35 today. So, the reason for the bank was because kids could pay in coins to the Hess cashiers, so they wanted kids to save up for next year's truck. Pretty cool idea by Hess. The first bank was in 1984, and the banks stopped in 1989 was the last bank. So they had 1984, 85, 86, 87, 89 for the banks. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to CRF, turn on the bell for notifications, and comment down below what you thought of the video. And that's really it. Not much else to say. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.